My name is Darrin Karcher. I'm the Poultry Extension Specialist at Purdue University. So when we talk about avian flu, we are talking about a virus very similar to what we can get as humans. And what it does is travels with our wild birds and then has the potential to infect our commercial poultry operations as well as backyard birds or any other avian species. Yeah, so let's really jump in briefly here about egg production and the cost of eggs. I know that that is a hot topic for everyone. We need to keep in mind that currently we are at our lowest national average of birds that we have seen in over 20 years. We have a very high egg demand by consumers, and so as a result, we have a decrease in the supply. We're seeing an increase in egg cost. The industry is working as quickly as they can to help mitigate that bird flu coming into the egg supply, at the same time doing what they can to get back to full production so that we can ultimately help reduce that cost the consumer is facing. Yeah, so when we think about how chickens may be contributing to avian flu, we work really hard when we have a positive detection, meaning we have found the virus within the flock, to take the approach recommended by the USDA to eradicate that virus. And unfortunately, that means that we are going to depopulate those birds from that facility to stay ahead of the virus, to limit the potential for mutations or for causing much bigger problems, such as the spread to human health or to other animals. The biggest question that is facing commercial poultry production right now is how do we continue to combat this virus and try to eradicate or eliminate the potential of the virus coming into the poultry house. So we are doing things such as increasing our biosecurity, and what I mean by that is being aware of the traffic, being aware of the people, and being aware of other wild birds that may be carrying the virus and coming into our commercial flocks that can ultimately result in them becoming sick. With this increase in biosecurity and the way that we're doing things, this is how we continue to ensure that we have a safe food supply for the consumer. Yeah, so when we look at the future of what avian flu may look like for the poultry industry, first and foremost, I'm not the expert in this subject matter. Those individuals are within the USDA. However, I can tell you that based on how the picture is being painted, we can anticipate that we should see a decrease in this avian flu coming into the summer months. And by that point, hopefully we are figuring out if we're going to have a vaccine, if there are other mitigation or other ways that we can help to address the bird flu next time we see this, which unfortunately will be next fall, following very similar to what we see with human flu, where we have a seasonality to it.